Iseng balang na Garo Hills ka Achek Conscious Holistically Integrated Krima lani Achek lingba ka Legal Council Berinta Rang Samarak bat ka Seng Garo Students Union lingbao President Uziku Balgra Marak kilapan pau ka jing Pyrshah ka bajur halor ka jingra jang ka Seng VPP ya ka Reservation Policy bat ka roster system assembly da ka bakinno pa kadai ka jingshim kabu banyo nong san pathay bat ongru ba kadai ka jingele Pyrshah e ka jing thungkam ka bakhut ka basuba bat ka bapindu nong ki samla na Garo Hills. Henry uba Arden haba wanra e kamat jang ka Reservation Policy henen ka sngi hayeng dorbar ulakran shai bakani ka jingwanra kamdei satya ka jing Pyrshah ni ka jingkni no ya ka hok jong kanu ka jadban riu.
So, I would like to express in a very categorical term that when we decide to raise or to speak on the issue of roster system, we don't have any intention or ill feeling against any particular community. And I would like also to express very clearly that we are not against the roster system. We are not against the roster system. However, we want that the government should put on hold the implementation of roster system pending the review of the reservation policy. We have the problem with the reservation policy, not with the roster system. So, sir, which is why we feel that this is the right platform for us to raise this issue. We know that as responsible leader, we are dealing with a very sensitive issue, highly sensitive issue, I may say. So therefore, we understand that we have to be, very careful, and we have to deal with this issue with an utmost care. Even the words that we choose would be very, very important for us to understand, because we don't want to hurt the sentiment of any particular community. We don't want also to take away the rights of that particular community, and we don't want that our rights also will be compromised. We don't believe in a politics of hatred, a communal politics, a politics of self-centered,